In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock Kurogiri in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to unlock Kurogiri, known as Warp Portal in Heroes Battlegrounds, you will have to complete a very specific task. This can be done on private servers or public servers, so if you want to have the best chances possible, just join a private server where no one else is going to compete with you. So, when you join a private or public server, eventually, usually after 30 minutes, a boss will spawn. This boss is Namu. Namu will spawn in on the map, you will see his health bar at the left side of the screen, and basically everyone can pile up on him and try killing him. Whoever gets the most amount of contribution will fall into a leaderboard. So the leaderboard will show the top 3 people who did the most amount of damage. All that you have to do to unlock Kurogiri is to defeat Namu and see if you get lucky. So this is why a lot of people prefer to do it on private servers. By doing this on a private server, you will always be top 1 damage. Every time that you defeat Namu, you will have a chance of getting the Warp Portal or Kurogiri. So if you don't get him right away, you will start building Pity. Pity will increase your chances of getting Warp Portal the next time. So all that you have to do is keep killing Namu over and over again, and eventually you will get lucky and you will unlock Kurogiri or Warp Portal. You will be able to use all of their moves. So Warp Portal is going to be both a ranged as well as a close fighter type character with 2 ranged moves and 2 melee moves. They are going to have medium-long cooldowns on all of the moves, and they can be very versatile. So to unlock them, all that you have to do is join a private or public server, wait for Namu to spawn, and do your contribution on defeating him. You will be selected and you have a chance of unlocking Kurogiri. If you don't get him right away, just try again, keep defeating Namu, and eventually you will be able to get him unlocked. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlock Kurogiri in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.